Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to help teachers that have a situation during the exam period and their students do not show up for them to assign the grades. So when the teachers go to the webpage of the Dominico and go to Mi Acceso and they log into their account, and when they select the partial, for example, I log into this, I select my period, my class, and the partial, corresponding partial. And this exclamation mark shows up that says no se ha encontrado registro para este criterio de búsqueda. It means that the evaluation department has not assigned the exam yet. So you have to talk either to the coordinator from the evaluation department or the person that assists in the evaluation department so they assign it as soon as possible. I hope that this video has been useful.